What's up, it's Ninja Watt 508 here, and today we're just or Nature Boy, I don't know. So going back into the woods again, and who's holding the camera?
Hi, I have a new YouTube. Stiggity Smith.
Yeah, you might remember her from her channel Ava Smith with a face going like, I don't know.
Oh yeah, I look sexy.
Right. Alright, so yeah.
You agreed to it too.
Alright, so we're gonna. No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did that. Alright, yeah.
I said, I was being sarcastic. Just call that sarcasm. Just call that sarcasm. Yeah, alright. So.
I got a joke. Okay, wait. Right.
I got a joke for you. Donald Trump. Ah! That's my SpongeBob.
No, I have a joke. If you're gonna have two faces, at least make one of them pretty, like size of faces.
That's a joke.
I think so. I just said it to Austin. He came after me. Oh, Austin's my brother, by the way.
Unfortunately. No, I'm just kidding. So. Just jumped across there.
Oh, remember when I went through that bush? Like you kind of made it a bush, but it was like oh crap. Yeah. And then I got like it was like thorns and it scratched us. You're like, yeah, I'm not going through this way.
Yeah. Oh,
no, it was this one. It was this one, right? I just literally pushed it out of the way and I went through it.
Yeah. Does this count as a vlog? Does it?
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah. Alright, well, I'll just call this a vlog. So, and those other two videos, I'll just call them vlogs.
I was stupid because I don't like calling myself stupid, but no, I was like kind of like not like thinking right, but I just made a YouTube video on my old account, Ava Smith, and it was about like some random facts about me, and it was actually a vlog, even though I said it was not a vlog.
Yeah.
It had to be a vlog because I was like showing everybody what I was doing.
Yeah.
But my old phone got smashed, but now I have a tablet. So if I ever make a YouTube video on my tablet and you guys are wondering why I have, like if you guys do wonder why I have like bad camera stuff, then it's the tablet.
So you said you have a tablet?
Mm-hmm.
Leapfrog, that is. No, I'm just playing.
It's called a phablet because
a what?
A phablet because you can call on it, and I can use it as a computer. I have like it's like a case, where it has like a keyboard, and you have to plug it into like the charger area and stuff.
Yeah. So leave in the comments, you guys, if you guys have a phablet. I don't know.
Ow!
What? Oh yeah. There's also another woodsy area, but this is like our favorite. So we might go there in another video. I don't know.
What's your favorite YouTuber?
My favorite YouTuber?
Yeah.
Like at the moment, it'd have to be. Have you ever heard of this guy Ben Phillips? Like he pulls.
No, but you said like you told me.
Oh yeah, shout out to Ben Phillips, you guys. He's so funny. Oh my God, he pulls the best pranks on his brother.
I actually have like a couple favorite YouTubers. It's one of them has to be SS Sniper Wolf, The Gabby Show, Shane Dawson, and the other people. Oh, Liza.
You're gonna get slapped.
Liza too.
Huh.
And David Adult. So I don't know how to say last name. David Adult. Whatever.
So yeah, so we might actually come down here in the fall and winter.
Yeah, but I might not come down in the winter because I'm so lazy in the winter.
I might come down in the winter.
I'm actually like a bear or my cat brother.
Hibernating.
He likes to sleep and stuff.
Hibernate.
He likes to play, yes.
So, should we check out the hut?
You already did on your
What?
You already did on your YouTube video. You know, we don't have to keep on showing them because you can just tell them to watch it on a YouTube video.
Oh yeah, I mean like get a closer look at it. I mean like actually go there.
Yeah, we actually went inside it. Oh, no we didn't.
For YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so should we go in there?
Sure, watch me fail on jumping on the rocks.
Alright, so.
Because the last time when I was here, I fell. Remember that big rock? Clinton was like,
Oh,
you're
yeah.
not gonna make it, you're gonna slip. So I jumped on it, then I made it, but then I slipped, and then I landed in the water with like my pant leg all wet, and it was so
Alright.
funny.
So yeah, we're gonna just cross here. Alright, so that didn't take long. Oh, crap. Spiderweb. So, probably remember that.
Yo, look, I don't think that this was right there.
Yeah, well, the V, the slingshot.
No, the V was there, but the...
Oh, that long one. So we got a campfire going on. Some wood.
Go inside the hut.
Some seats.